Welcome everybody. This is the next question. We are expected to integrate integral negative 0.15 to 0.15 f of x dx, and we are being given that f of x is equal to modulus of 100x squared negative 1. Now, foremost, what we are expected to do is to check if f of x is even or odd. Okay, so for that, I would substitute x is equal to negative x in f of x. So that would mean f of negative x is equal to modulus of 100 of negative x raised to the power of 2 negative 1. Which is going to be 100 x squared negative 1, which is giving me f of x. Now, since f of negative x is equal to f of x, this means f of x is even. Now, this in turn means integral negative 0.15 to 0.15 f of x dx is rewritten as 2 times 0 to 0.15 f of x dx. Now, by definition of the modulus function, we have the following. Modulus of 100 x squared negative 1 is going to be equal to 100 x squared negative 1 for all 100 x squared negative 1 greater than or equal to 0, and it is going to be equal to negative of 100 x squared negative 1 for all 100 x squared negative 1 less than 0. Now, by this definition, we will be breaking this integral product of 2 times, right, this quantity in the following fashion. So I'm going to write that. So 2 times integral 0 to 0.15, the function f of x dx, will be equal to 2 times integral. So the first split is going to be based on this value 100 x squared negative 1. The split is going to be 0 to 0.1, positive 0.1 to 0.15. So for 0 to 0.1, we will have negative of 100 x squared negative 1 times dx. For 0.1 to 0.15, it's going to be 100 x squared negative 1 times dx. So this can be further rewritten as 2 times, and I'm going to rewrite this as 1 negative 100 x squared times dx, 0 to 0.1, positive 0.1 to 0.15, 100 x squared negative 1 times dx. So this can be integrated. So if I were to push this, or I would say start with the integral of 1. In fact, let me write that step down. So it's going to be 0 to 0.1. 1 into dx is dx, negative 100 times 0 to 0.1 x squared times dx, positive 100 times 0.1 to 0.15 x squared times dx, negative 0 to 0.15 negative dx, or I would say just dx because negative sign is taken out. Now this is going to be equal to 2 times of integral of dx is x, limits are 0 to 0.1, this is 100 x to the power of 3 divided by 3, limits are 0 to 0.1 plus 100 times x to the power of 3 over 3, limits are 0.1 to 0.15, negative x times the limits are 0.1, right? So this is 0.1 to 0.15. So we will have to substitute the limits and evaluate. Okay, this is what we've got. Now we can substitute the limits. So if I were to substitute, the upper limit is going to be 0.1. Negative 0, this has got no value at all. followed by 100 over 3 times 0.1 cube. That's going to be 0.001, right? 1, 2, 3. So it's cubic value. So I substitute 0.001. Positive 100 over 3. Of course, 0 has got no value. No point in substituting it. Now 0.15 raised to the power of 3. Now we can multiply 15 into 15. That's 225. I multiply it again by 15. 5 is 25, 2, 10, 11, 12, 1, 5, 1, 2 are 10, 11. This is 5, 2, 2. This is 5, 7, 3, 3. So you're getting 3375. And it is cubic value. So actually we will have to also cater to this 0.15. So what is happening is 0.15 is being multiplied 3 times. Okay, so the decimal is occurring after 2 places here, after 2 places here, after 2 places here. So we will have to have 6 digits. After the decimal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is going to be the value. So 0.12345 Okay, so I substitute that value 0.003375 and minus this value 0.3 cube. That's going to be 0.001. Okay, just in case the calculators are not coming into the picture. And of course over here is 0.15 minus 0.1. So we will have to cater to all this. Okay, so this is going to be equal to 2 times of 0.1. I'm going to multiply 100 with 0.001. So that means the decimal will move 1 and 2 places. So this is going to be 0.1 over 3 positive. Now let me calculate this. This is 0.00335 minus 0.001. So if you subtract, you get 57320.0, and that has to be multiplied with 100 over 3. So this is 0.00375, fair enough, and followed by 0.15, you take away 0.10, so it's going to be 500 point. Okay, so 0.05. So this is what we have got. Now this can be rewritten as 2 times of. Now I can club these two together, 0.1 and followed by negative 0.05. So that is going to give me 0.05, is it not? So 0.10, 0.05. So 500 point. Okay, 0.05. Over here 0.01 divided by 3, you multiply by 100, so the decimal will move 1, 2, so you have 0.2375. Okay, this is what you have. Now of course you have to divide by 3. Okay, so what we can do is we can take the factor as 1 over 3 out, and you have 0.2375 minus 0.1. Okay, this is a rough column working, so this is equal to 1 over 3. You take away 0.1 from this, so you get 0.1, right, 1375. So you take this and you substitute it here for this. So it's going to be 2 times of 0.05 positive 0.1375 divided by 3. You multiply, take the LCM as 3, you get 0.15 positive 0.1375. You add these two together, 0.1375, 0.1500. You get 5, 7, 8 and 2. Right, 0.2875. 0.2875 multiplied by 2 divided by 3. So you multiply by 2, what do you get? 2 5s are 10, 1, 7 2s are 14, 15, 1, 8 2s are 16, 17, 1, 2 2s are 4, 5. You have a decimal point there. So this is what you get, 0.5750 divided by 3. But this is equal to k over 3000. So this means 0.5750 divided by 3 is equal to k over 3000. 3 divides here 1000 times. So you have 0.5750 is equal to k over 1000. So therefore k is equal to 1000 multiplied with 0.5750. Because of 1000, your decimal goes here by 1, 2, 3. So you get 575. This is the value of k, and this is a correct solution, and we have shown the complete working. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.